Virtual reality has always promised to be the future of entertainment, work, and social connection. But until now, it's always felt like we were just one step away from that perfect experience. Clunky headsets, motion sickness, limited graphics, and high prices have held VR back from truly going mainstream. But in 2025, things might finally change. Meta is preparing to launch the Quest 4, and this could be the headset that finally delivers the ultimate VR experience we've all been waiting for. With rumors of next-gen performance, 4K micro-OLED displays, advanced mixed reality features, and a slimmer, more comfortable design, the Quest 4 isn't just another upgrade, it could redefine how we play, work, and connect in virtual worlds. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. So today, let's dive deep into everything we know about the Meta Quest 4, and whether this is truly the device that will take VR mainstream. Virtual reality has always been positioned as the future of immersive entertainment, yet for years it has felt like we were always almost there, but never quite reaching that perfect experience. From clunky headsets to motion sickness issues, limited graphics power, and expensive hardware, VR has struggled to break out of its niche despite constant innovation. Among the companies fighting to bring VR to the mainstream, Meta has been one of the most influential players. With the Oculus Rift, the Quest line, and now the Quest Pro, Meta has continuously pushed the envelope, bringing standalone VR headsets to millions of users. But as we move into 2025, all eyes are now on the upcoming Meta Quest 4. The burning question is, will this finally be the headset that delivers the ultimate VR experience we've all been waiting for? The Quest series has played a monumental role in shaping the consumer VR landscape. The original Quest was a bold move, freeing users from PC cables with an all-in-one standalone system. The Quest 2 refined this formula, offering much better performance at a surprisingly affordable price, quickly becoming the best-selling VR headset in history. Then came the Quest 3 in 2023, which improved upon optics, pass-through quality, and mixed reality capabilities, but still left some users wanting more. And in between, Meta launched the Quest Pro, which promised premium productivity and mixed reality experiences, but its high price and limited adoption revealed that the mainstream wasn't quite ready to embrace professional-grade VR at that scale. This brings us to the Quest 4, a headset that many believe could be Meta's most important release yet, a chance to cement VR's role not just as a fun gaming accessory, but as a serious platform for work, fitness, entertainment, social connection, and beyond. So, what exactly makes the Meta Quest 4 so highly anticipated? The first and perhaps most critical factor is performance. One of the biggest complaints with standalone VR headsets has always been limited graphical fidelity compared to PC VR systems. The Quest 3, while impressive, was still bound by mobile chip constraints. The Quest 4, however, is expected to introduce a next-generation Snapdragon XR processor, co-developed with Qualcomm, that could finally bridge the gap between standalone VR and PC-level visuals. This chip is rumored to deliver significantly higher GPU performance, reduced power consumption, and advanced AI-driven optimizations that enhance rendering efficiency. In practical terms, this could mean more realistic environments, higher frame rates for smoother immersion, and larger, more complex virtual worlds that don't feel watered down. Graphics alone, however, don't make VR great. Optics and display technology